Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll talk about 6 movies, so stay with me until the end of the video. So let's get started. One more thing, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start. Number 6, The Splendid November 1969. IMDb rating 6.1. The storyline is after the death of his father, 17-year-old Nino is finding adolescence a traumatic and lonely ordeal. On autumn during a holiday on the slopes of Mount Etna, he is strongly attracted towards his young aunt Katina. Although married, she has no children of her own and is interested in her awakens her maternal instinct. An intimacy develops between them and his looking for her turns into an all-consuming desire. When he discovers that she is pursuing a secret affair with another man, Sasha, he is overwhelmed by jealousy and fails to comprehend her infidelity. The movie is super, guys. You can definitely watch it. Must watch it movie. Number 5, Suburban Secret 2004. IMDb rating 4.7. The storyline is Laura, a woman desired by many people as well as a famous nude model in New York, was living her life perfectly until she received a phone call from her sister Winfred, telling her that her ex-boyfriend Nelson is having an affair with their aunt Cynthia. Laura returns to her hometown to her sister and her aunt, where she finds herself in a very confusing position. She begins to love Nelson again, but she doesn't want to ruin the relationship between her aunt and Nelson. Nelson finds himself in confusing position too, due to a sexual relationship between him and his sister Judith. But he didn't want to lose Cynthia. Winifred's friend Lucia wants to write a novel about their personal lives, but Winifred wants to stop her to save her family private. The movie is super, guys. You can definitely watch it. Number 4, Turn in Tomorrow 1990. IMDb rating 6. The storyline is Martin works at the local radio station, which just hired a new scriptwriter with a reputation for great drama, Pedro Chronicle. Martin and Julia, not related by blood, return home after many years away and Martin falls for her. Once Pedro finds out about this romance, he started incorporating details of it into the script of his daily drama series. Soon, Martin and Julia are not only hearing about their fictional slaves over the radio, but about what they are going to do next. The movie is super, guys. You can definitely watch it. Number 3, Mon Amour 2020. IMDb rating 6.8. Guys, this movie is not based in aunt-nephew relationship. This movie is a unfaithful housewife story, and the storyline is mourning his boyfriend Frederick's death from an overdose. The French filmmaker David Evoul goes to Siberia on a ritual journey. Out there under the enormous dome of the Sikhs, he finds the free space to disentangle his thoughts again. And in the villages, both young and old people unexpectedly turn out to be prepared to respond to his invention to talk about an event that changed their life, death, love and existence. The movie is super, guys. Must watch it movie. You can definitely watch it. Number 2, Slalom 2020. IMDb rating 6.7. Guys, this movie is also not based in aunt-nephew relationship. This movie is based in a sport girl, and the storyline is under the guardians of a strict ex-champion, a promising 15-year-old girl trains as a professional skier. Will she be able to endure the physical and emotional pressure? The movie is super, guys. You can definitely watch it. If you like sports movies, then definitely watch it, these movies. Number 1, The Last Bath 2020 IMDb rating 5.9. The storyline is a nun is called upon to adopt her 15-year-old nephew, and as a consequent religion, family and love become tangled. The movie is average guys, you can watch it if you like.